Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, we have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders, 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, as well as a 120-volt power outlet. And then up front, this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And then looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here. We can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop, and your now playing, so your radio station. And then you can look at your truck info where you have your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. You also have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, you have your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then you have your climate controls here, with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures. Then to the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector. You have Tow Haul, Eco, and Sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment above the glove box for more storage. And then you have this compartment here with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be stowed away for more storage here. Then you have two cup holders and your center lockable compartment / armrest with a removable tray and a ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.